for mobile. The machine AK-47 or the Mauna. They don't AK-47 hour. What the photo of Gona? What the working prison not one. In your bed, with what is that fire? That AK-47 all time. General Pesla, a better shorter. What to be the different home. I say I'm AK-47 and you can do that for Yagma. The best home. The Akufo Addo men. And a come and a little bit of it. And a whole above men. One woman now to arm me, get it to me, and I go to the dog. That people have no memory. Make that then I put for him, criminal, get ahead now. Only criminals, then Tina said, if you pass out, almost you pass away, you could be heard, man. The best home. One night, when you didn't blow one walk for I'm called Robbie, Nicky out of it, and I put walk out. Never was it not walk on. But what come every time I look up your storm, come on, but I'm open for my body. You could be a blank here, what is our best edition now, and then you're cool. Whenever you say Yamano, the don, the more that you almost share some film without it.
Mame, and now also was safe for your time. 10 minutes after 3, you pick a few of your calls now for your bar, studio, how I should that. You didn't come out with a year, Alajana Zero, Chairman Bodinga. And after Charles McCarthy, so Ewa Efia. Good afternoon.
Fine afternoon, sir.
Yeah, Mpacho Wini.
Mpacho, your friend Kwasi
Kwasi Buate, what can I frame?
Mpacho, me can free, Kaneshi.
Me Mpacho me into when.
Mpacho, you when you go for boss me after Inchira Papa, and yet my power, you're happy as him. You go for two and pa. Mpacho, me, the cano, when she come. Honorable Prince Kamaguma, incoming national youth organizer. When you born home more than papa. You're going to go for your drum, not over youth organizer. Oh, MPP, you're cry. If I tell you come out of Sutel, they come out of Sudia. Now, Mamma, police in here, and not go board to Yako. You want to for the credit. You make can say, Bank of Fono, but the IGP Kaheno. Among Bank of Fono, among your barco. Na a police I'm this kind of bank here. Police me back, so Jenny back. Na I'm Cafono, Uncle to my hidden. Now, study of company of Akufo Addo Galam to Betuano. Timamu for Yamuano, the to Galam. Only for Yakima. Bye bye.
Mame, and now also was safe for your contribution. Okay, so 0553 971 064 for Accra. And after 0551 563916 for an affiliate radio stations. No. Also, wait me, I join the conversation. Let's get talking. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, the dog.
Yes, I'm Pajoini.
Oh,
Paris, whom you book or dear?
Oh, Yamia Roma, Mama Mageda, Kodaka, Municipal MC, Ewo, the Diaboko, only Oparana, and in Pejani Protosa, and a Miami Conference Executive, Omukuta to Homo, Oko. Tale
signature with your baby a woman. Hey, Opari.
The dog, Maggie Adaroma. The dog,
yeah,
for Ameni Apaso, told him for Ameni.
Yeah, I mean, no.
Yeah, for Capramani or Bar assisting regional chairman. Na Papa Adroya or Yeno, Junior Berma Ofie and Fano. For Ameni actually me say or your kind before Papa. A sign a grassroots father and pa. Region Nina communication team no ye two chairman for Ameni. Near one Zoom MC Mama Maggie Ayeno in your Ebra meaning that is also in your Oba. I hope say on the Dodo Eja Oba National General Secretary. Obey na friend with the Ofie home fan but the Oma Yeno, the real cry at home, Mr. and Kwan, and then I'm on the Maminia Ofie or original grassroots community member Bako. Now, Kakra Mechanic Niandra is here in the door, a yard the film, and she a best about for no one to come home. Now, Ghana Moon, I see any and some money dear to do. Now, military for no, and say one was one Kakra. And Yama Betudi, one share, one also one kind of Evamwa, police for no Mestre defense minister and interior minister, one for one Jimuna, Okono, Yeti or anybody would this or not, or my name, Boko, because another Bukado, at you my part, they don't, or ye need a part, or the Guapu, and the Yamagana for no, Yanshana Yamra, Uncle Fui, Asia, Omobema, or Mino, Nipepinum, Zedia, Ed, Apoka, Yeno. If you move to be almost and part of mine, Emu Angel, but Dana Joe, near Opebia ultimate Epoto, Abreni, but in the Bonifono Nema, Asemia, or Mino Emunjo, the Mestre, Interior Minister, or Defense Minister, Wangita or Namura, upon Bueno. Akwanyano Apaman be praised. On to me, media make us on one farmer COP. Judge for modern one was through. No, on make Kenyan security system, Mona, Ghana, and police form for one.
Mame, and now I see Yankoha, Mahain.
Yeah,
good. What's your whining?
Adio, Enti, Emra. Nana emrana dia ba boy yan fo ma wotune ehun ye nuama wo so mu ko school free enyankale nwisia mo bra wa fo na meme kasa ma wo mu no wo mu tina ma ba social media. I don't deserve to disgrace myself or to talk on social media to insult anybody. I'm nobody to nobody, but I care for your good things, your good dream. And Ghanaians are not buying your good dream. So which I was not even like those people, they call themselves graduates. But I care what you're doing. Ghana need a railway synergy. Journalists be at me, I can't want them though. Womu fasu koto for suntaleshe. Womu jamu ekoba. Journalists be at me, I can't radio station, I can't want them. But I tell you, the ultimate now. Atem the dia intimi damne ho broker and the Ghana journalists is now mo ya broker and the brokers no cry here come anim e will follow us as because of that you guys are so disappointed to the country. Brokers no will follow us because you dia them. So journalists wa Ghana nyina start at the dia have pay followers. You are ashamed of your qualification. You are ashamed of your so-called, the name you put in yourself, journalist. And you are journalist, but you say, smart. And it was a journalist, and you're a broker, or a broker. Don't tell me, say, Captain Smart TV, a TV station, and I mean, Miss Abato TV, Namatiano, Minion Packet, Niana me be a madio, Mancoyo be a human sound. Me be a Miss Abato TV, by myself. By my dream, I didn't go to any journalism school, and I was not even going to school to learn anything about journalists. But I can talk as a good citizen from Ghana. I can educate my brothers and sisters to get a good mentality and knowledge to change their life to become better life. I tell you, who journalists no. Nyansa ni atina dam tremuni bi eso me ton fine me yogurt me bo shine me catch us me ma brabo betimi abeche wo brabo. I'm telling you, I don't need to express myself on social media, but with my common sense and my knowledge. It is how you journalist here. Why don't you fight for your citizens? Ghana ni o problem bi aminim. Am you ashamed of yourself? And am you try baby ankofo esensuonum. Baby ankofo Eco school siane. Justice was there for a long time. Even by Akufo Addo bad John Mahama, they tried to build some schools. Akufo Addo did more than John Mahama did. Akufo Addo did more roads than John Mahama did, than NDC did for 29 good years in power. No journalist was able to show us our road. No journalist was able to tell Ghanaians what is happening in Ghana. And today, Jonas is telling we guys what is happening in Ghana. You guys are so disappointed and so ashamed of yourself. Today, my brother fell from above, who struggled to pass Libya, to use desert, to use a sea, to go to Europe. Now the guy become he becomes so, worry for Ghana. Quite fast to somebody, nye. Quite fast to change your life, I'm a no cassette yamane. I saw Akufo Addo. Akufo Addo no ama here for me go school free. And here for me life. And here for me Benina be president aboni dimpa. And here for me be MPs abetwene Ghana wa aboni dimpa. Now one go free education. And now some me bre answer na go school. And now some me bre answer na what teacher resume. And until also be a Ghana MP minister. Who's ya Ghana? Ah, whoa, you're Ghana phone. Ah, can pone na show trimuma. And Akufo Addo na wo change Ghana, but we are not change Ghana system. What's on na mo sori channel?